Hey friends, in this rapid review video, we're going to be looking at how to multiply mixed numbers. Did you know that multiplying mixed numbers is similar to multiplying fractions? All you do is turn mixed numbers into improper fractions. Well, how do you turn a mixed number into an improper fraction, you might ask? Just remember to get mad, just like Darla is in this. Mad reminds us that we need to multiply, add, and then look at our denominator. So let's get mad by looking at this problem, or this mixed number, 3 1/2. The first thing that we need to do is multiply. We're going to multiply the whole number times the denominator. In this case, 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So that's our multiply. Then we go to the add, the A part, and that means to add. We're going to add our numerator. So we're going to add 1 to get an answer of 7. And then that denominator, and that just tells us that our denominator stays the same. And so we can see that 3 1/2, when we turn it into an improper fraction, is 7/6. Remember, an improper fraction just means that the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Our whole is within that fraction. So let's use this piece of information to solve this problem. A rectangle has a length of 1 2/3 feet and a width of 2.5 feet. What is the area of the rectangle? So here we have a model for us to use. So we see that one side is going to be 1 2/3, and the base here is going to be 2 1/2. And we know that area equals length times width. So we're going to use that piece of information to solve this problem. So my length is 1 2/3, and my width is 2 1/2. So this is the problem that I'm going to be solving. The first thing that we're going to do is get mad. We're going to turn our mixed numbers into improper fractions. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply. 3 times 1 is 3, and I'm going to add 2 to that. 3, 4, 5. My D tells me my denominator stays the same. Do the same thing with our other mixed number. 2 times 2 equals 4. And 4 plus 1 equals 5. Our denominator stays the same. So now we have 5/3 times 5/2. Now we're going to look at our steps to multiplying fractions. We see that we multiply the numerators. 5 times 5 equals 25. And we multiply our denominators. 3 times 2 equals 6. The last thing that we're going to do is simplify. Since this is an improper fraction, I now need to turn it back into a mixed number, and I do that through division. I can also read this as 25 divided by 6. And I know that 6 can go into 25 4 times, which equals 24, and I subtract with 1 left over. So the answer to 5/3 times 5/2, or 1 2/3 times 2 1/2, is 4 wholes and 1/6. So what is the area of the rectangle? 4 1/6 feet. And that's how you solve multiplying mixed numbers. Thanks for watching.